Machiegni kendo, riwruog jopuonj mar KUPPET Nyamira ywago achiedh nade ma jokanyo mage kale kama oting'o okumba mar SHA ma giwacho ni ok giyude chenro mag thieth kochopo e ute mag thieth. Ka giloso kod Ramogi TV e boma ma Nyamira, jagoro maduong' margi George Ayeko owacho ni achiedh nade mag masindego eko kaachiel kod mbui mag jo-SHA ok osebedo ka tiyo, gino ma koro miyogi gitiyo gi pesa aching' e chudo mag osiptal.
Number of facilities such as the Aga Khan Hospital, as was promised, have not been empaneled as was expected. Number two, our members, whenever they're going to hospitals to get medical attention, they are not able to get. For instance, we have a case whereby a member was supposed to undergo what we call radioactive iodine therapy in the month of May. As I speak to the media today, that patient has not gotten a facility that is able to offer radioactive therapy as was promised. The other challenge that our members are getting is to do with the system. Currently, the DHA that manages the system on behalf of SHA is not working properly. I remember on 19th this month, a member was forced to pay $8,500 for head scan because the system from SHA was not working. There is what we call the last expense, which was supposed to be paid promptly as we were promised from Naivasha. As I speak, claims that were made in the month of May and June have not been paid. When you go to TSC, they tell you, go and ask SHA. When you go to SHA managers, they tell you, go and ask the Teacher Service Commission.
Second primary ma Gitwembe mayudore